Hey there, I'm Ryan Stevens, founder of Digital Reference. I really appreciate you being here. I'm excited to walk you through how to build an accomplishment once you have created a digital reference resume. Accomplishments are super important in our ecosystem. They're how we sort you, which enables us to build directories and features to help either prospective employers or prospective clients to find you. So super important. When you're looking at the digital reference homepage, follow the prompts to get featured. If you've already created a resume, you'll be brought to a complete page. But if not, you just submit a few details and that will get you started. So once you land on your dashboard, click to add new accomplishment. Give your accomplishment a title, test accomplishment here. Tell us a little bit about the role that you are playing in that accomplishment. That is role. Think about more of it as a title. For a timeline, what dates did the accomplishment take place from? One thing I can take a step back and say, hey, think about accomplishments somewhat like bullet points on a resume, right? We use accomplishments to build up or construct your work experience, right? Or professional experience. So accomplishments can be related specific to employment, but they can also be related to other professional projects or team projects, volunteering as well. Select a date. So role, I will say founder here. Go in and add date just to get us to the next step. Okay. Summarize the accomplishment. Summary is important. Again, this could actually be the direct bullet point that you would pull from your resume. And then type in up to 6 different skills. And we intentionally left this as open text so that you would be able to authentically talk about what skills you felt like were learned or demonstrated. The reason I quickly go through this is that the second page of the accomplishment is the most important. It's where we collect that structured data that allows us to push you through directories. And so just really want to stress that getting to that step, because that is what makes your digital reference resume so powerful. Put in accomplishment here, test, add accomplishment. And then you're led to this screen. And this is the screen that is most powerful. You select function. We compare it to departments within an organization, right? That it's an umbrella term that allows us to better understand what from this accomplishment, what department would it most likely fall within in a business or an organization. Let's just say HR and people. Once you select the department or function area, you'll get focus areas directly related to those. These will also help us to better sort and highlight you as an experienced professional. So employee relations, commitment type. This is our language for: were you an employee? Were you a fractional executive? Were you a consultant? Were you a leadership coach? Were you an executive coach in this capacity? An advisor. So when you're thinking about how you want to be featured and what directories you want to fall within on digital reference, this is where these components become really, really important. So commitment type, you can say coach, and association is the company that you were associated with, company or organization that you were associated with when you were acting or completing this accomplishment. So let's say test again. Oops, I missed the industry. Industry is self-explanatory. And an accomplishment type, company, that's is work experience or employment. School is educational, project, certification. Let's say company as employment type, and then save it. So a little bit bumpy still, but I really appreciate you being here to test out our beta tool. We're looking for ways to improve and streamline that. But in the meantime, I really appreciate you going in, add at least one accomplishment so that we can better feature you throughout our ecosystem. As always, please feel free to reach out. You can reach me at ryan@digitalreference.co or our general help box at hello@digitalreference.co. Thank you.